Hey guys, I'm Martin Geek. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of a couple cases that will actually extend or double the battery life of your smartphone. Keep in mind, these were sent to me so I can try them out and make a video for you guys. So that's what I'm doing here. I already tested these cases already. They sent me a case for the Google Pixel 3 XL and the Galaxy Note 9. I put it back here so you guys can have an idea how the package looks when you receive it through the mail. Now, first of all, it's going to show you guys the Google Pixel 3 XL. It has a very cool pattern here that I really like. It has this button right here and it has two lights. Right now it's at 50%. That's what it means. If you get 4 lights, that means that the case is actually at 100%. Now to turn it on, all you got to do is press and hold for around 5 seconds. And there you go. The battery is going to start charging your smartphone. Like you see there, the phone is actually turned off, but you can actually see that it's charging your smartphone. Let's go and turn it on so you guys can see something that I wanted to share with you guys. Like see here, it has access for the fingerprint scanner, for the camera. The buttons are very well flushed in there. Everything feels really nice. It doesn't add too much bulk considering that this is a big case. Over here, one thing that I wanted to share with you guys that I like about this case is, let's see, that it actually charges rapidly. Look at that. It actually charges rapidly. And that is something that is hard to find for battery cases that can actually charge your phone rapidly. If it actually has that feature, some cases won't actually charge your phone rapidly. And like you see here, your phone is actually telling you that it's charging rapidly thanks to this case, which is something that you're not going to see a lot. And of course, when it's charging, the lights are going to be blinking there. To turn it off, just click right here again for 5 seconds and it will turn off. To get the case out, make sure you always take this portion first, then you slide it out carefully. Here in the inside, it says this is a 4700 milliamp hour battery. This right here has a 3450 milliamp hour battery. So like you see there, it's giving you a lot of battery juice right there. And yes, it does feel too fast when it's charging your smartphone. Of course, it's going to add more bulk, but if you need battery power, that is going to give you. And over here, see there, it says press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to activate the charge. Over here, you got a diagram on how to put it on carefully, so that way you don't damage your USB-C port. And you see that you got the input and the output there as well. But one thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that yes, it does fit the 3A XL, but remember the 3A XL has a headphone jack there and it has speakers in the bottom, so it will fit perfectly. And the buttons are also, you know, the volume buttons and everything also matches, but you're not gonna have the speakers and you're not gonna have the headphone jack available there. But everything else, like the camera and the fingerprint scanner and the buttons, everything is actually gonna match. Right now it's off. The phone is actually off. Pretty damn cool, but of course, since it's not, it doesn't have a headphone jack there. This is actually made for the 3XL. Now, let's go and show you guys here the Galaxy Note 9 case, which I put it back in the box. That way you guys can have an idea how it looks. Here in the case, over here, you got like a little message there from Zerolemon. Of course, these products are on Amazon. I'll leave links in my descriptions for that. Both of these cases came in the same package, and so I expect that other cases that you buy for any other smartphone is actually going to be the same. So here, of course, you got this right here, the logo right there. That means that it actually charges wirelessly. That's one feature that I actually liked about this case, that not only does it give you this one actually gives you 5,000 milliamp hour battery. 5,000 milliamp hour battery. You can see the specs right there. You can see the capacity, 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 19 watts. Input and output there. You got a little message here on how to maintain it correctly. So here I got the Galaxy Note 9, like you see right here. And if you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I actually dropped my smartphone and I was so pissed right there because my smartphone actually cracked right there. Like see there, I'm so pissed for real. And over here, go ahead, put it right there. Of course, just like the other one, make sure you just slide it first here. Then you could go ahead and snap it in right there. You're gonna have access over here to the microphone. Over here in the bottom, you're gonna have access to the headphone jack, to the speakers. One problem about this that I don't like is that to take the S Pen out, it's gonna be a nightmare. Unless you have long nails, you're gonna have a huge problem taking the S Pen out, and I still haven't been able to take it out. Even though I've been trying a lot, I still haven't been able to take it out. It has the slot there, which is perfectly made, but for me, in my opinion, that slot right there should have been bigger, so we can easily access the S Pen. And right now, I've been trying it since day one and I can't access the S Pen. So that's a negative right there. Other than that, to turn it on, just like the other one, just press and hold for 3 seconds. It has this, label right there. It says press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Like you see there, it's at 100%. I just finished charging this. You got the wireless logo there. You got the Zerolemon. You got access for the fingerprint scanner and the camera. And of course, when it's charging, like you can see that it's actually charging. It says charging 78%, 43 minutes until it's actually fully charged. But what's cool about this case is that you can actually use the wireless charging feature. Look at that. Right now it's charging, which is not supposed to be. It's going to turn it off. When you're going to be doing this, okay, this is off. When you're going to wireless charge, make sure you actually turn off the case. That way it can properly charge your phone, and it also charges the case as well. So that's one thing that's really cool about this case. Back in the days, I did buy a case for the Galaxy Note 9 like this a couple months ago, and that feature right there was not available. Now, another negative thing about this, using this wireless case or battery case with the Galaxy Note 9, is that the DeX feature is going to be disabled, and you can also mirror the screen of your phone via HDMI to your TV or to a monitor. That's a negative for me, but yes, you can transfer files, or you can connect your phone using this case to the computer and transfer files like that. Yes, you can do that. Galaxy Note 9 and the Pixel 3 XL. Keep in mind, they also have batteries for other smartphones like the iPhone Max X, the XR, the Galaxy S10, the 10s, and the 10 Plus, I think, as well. So a lot of the most popular smartphones, they actually have cases for them. A little bit slimmer than the Galaxy Note 9 case. Of course, the Galaxy Note 9 case is bigger and the battery is a little bit bigger. But in my opinion, the Pixel 3 XL case looks a lot better. This still looks good, but it also charges really fast your battery life as well. So these are great options just in case you are looking for a case that adds more battery life to your smartphone. These are great. And of course, like I said, I'm going to leave links in my description because they also have other cases for other smartphones, like some iPhones and other Android smartphones as well. And you can see which case is available there. If you can see if your smartphone actually has one of those Zerolemon cases as well. I forgot to also mention the price is around $39, but of course, you know how it's at Amazon. Sometimes you're gonna get it for 20%, 10%. They have a lot of sales going on, and with Prime Days coming out soon, you might get them on sale as well. So you might want to check that out. So other than that, guys, thanks for watching this video. This was a hands-on look at the Zerolemon cases for Android devices and iPhone as well, because if you go to the website, you're going to see some iPhone cases. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye-bye.